the universe has whispered again. A new visitor approaches our cosmic doorstep, cloaked in mystery, echoing the shockwaves once sent by Oumuamua. Its name, 3-Eye Atlas, and Michio Kaku warns its arrival could redefine everything. This object is no ordinary traveler. Born in the farthest reaches of interstellar space, it has wandered for billions of years. Now, its trajectory curves toward our system, aligning with Earth's destiny, carrying questions we cannot yet answer. The last time such a messenger came, the world trembled with speculation. Scientists debated whether Oumuamua was a rock, an alien probe, or something more ancient. With 3-Eye Atlas, the stakes have only grown larger, darker, and stranger. Unlike comets and asteroids we know, this traveler follows no familiar path. Its approach, unannounced and uninvited, bends the laws of expectation. It slips past predictions, challenging astronomers to decode whether it's stone, machine, or something in between. Michio Kaku, renowned for painting futures humanity struggles to imagine, has warned, this may not simply be cosmic debris. It may carry the fingerprint of intelligence, a whisper from civilizations we dare not believe exist. Already, scientists are disturbed by its unusual behavior. Its trajectory seems unnaturally aligned. It brushes near Jupiter, Mars, and Venus in patterns that almost mimic intent, yet it remains elusive, hidden by the sun's blinding shield. If this object truly originates from the Milky Way's heart, it has traveled distances beyond comprehension. Billions of miles are nothing compared to its journey, and yet, against impossible odds, it now nears us, like prophecy fulfilled. What force set it free from its birthplace? Random chance, or a deliberate release by entities we cannot fathom? The possibility of a Type 2 or even Type 3 civilization hovers like a shadow over its mystery. Such civilizations, capable of harnessing the energy of stars and galaxies, would not stumble across interstellar voyages. They would design them, send them, direct them. Each object they release could be a seed of contact. Michio Kaku's warning is not merely scientific curiosity, it's existential. If 3-Eye Atlas is engineered, then humanity is not alone, and if it's natural, then the universe is stranger, wilder, and more unpredictable than we dare imagine. The cosmic silence humanity has wrestled with, Fermi's paradox, could be cracking. Perhaps advanced beings do not shout across the void with radio waves. Perhaps they send artifacts, silent emissaries, travelers that drift until civilizations like ours notice. Oumuamua unsettled us because it did not behave like a comet or asteroid. It accelerated without explanation. No tail of gas, no typical signs of ice evaporation. It moved as though powered by hidden design, not cosmic randomness. Now with 3-Eye Atlas, the déjà vu deepens. Two such visitors in mere human lifetimes cannot be dismissed as coincidence. The odds defy belief. The cosmos, it seems, is reaching toward us with intent. Humanity stands at a precipice. For centuries we've gazed into the heavens, wondering if someone gazes back. With every passing interstellar visitor, that question becomes heavier, more pressing, and perhaps more dangerous to ignore. Consider the origin. From the center of the Milky Way, where stars are densely packed and black holes spin with violent hunger. If life arose there, it would be forged in extremes, far more advanced than our fragile beginnings. For billions of years, objects like 3-Eye Atlas could have drifted outward, like messages in bottles cast into a cosmic ocean. And now, one such bottle has washed upon the shores of our solar system. Is it simply stone, or is it scripture? An artifact carrying knowledge we cannot yet know. But to dismiss the possibility of intelligence is to blind ourselves to the warnings embedded in its arrival. Michio Kaku frames it clearly. If civilizations exist beyond Earth, their reach may already cross interstellar distances. The tools they wield would seem like magic to us, indistinguishable from divine powers written in ancient prophecies. Imagine a Type 2 civilization harnessing the energy of its sun, or a Type 3 harnessing entire galaxies. To them, sending emissaries across the stars would be no more difficult than our launching satellites into orbit. If 3-Eye Atlas is such an emissary, then we are its audience. Whether or not we are ready, it has found us, and the cosmos may soon demand our answer. Are we prepared to join the conversation? But here lies the danger. What if we are not? What if our fragile species, fractured by wars, greed, and ignorance, is still too primitive to face the reality of neighbors among the stars? The arrival of such objects does more than excite astronomers. It shakes the foundation of human identity. It forces us to confront the illusion that Earth is the center of creation, that humanity is unique and alone. 3I Atlas is not just an astronomical curiosity. It is a mirror, a test. Do we see in it only stone, or do we dare imagine more? Our answer may determine how the future of humanity unfolds. The prophets of old spoke of signs in the heavens, of stars that would fall, of visitors from beyond. Today, those prophecies are no longer myth. They are playing out in real time through science and discovery. If this is natural, then we are witnesses to the majestic chaos of the universe. But if it is not, then humanity may be staring into the handiwork of intelligences older than our species, perhaps older than our planet. Imagine the civilizations capable of sending such emissaries. Their wisdom could surpass our own by millions of years. To them, we are but children, learning to light our first fires, unaware of the infernos waiting in the cosmos. The greatest danger is arrogance, to assume we understand what we see when in truth we are barely scratching the surface. 3I Atlas is a reminder of how small, how fragile, and how unprepared we remain. Yet within this humility lies hope. If we choose curiosity over fear, unity over division, we may rise to meet the challenge. We may prove ourselves worthy of whatever messages the cosmos has delivered through this traveler. Michio Kaku's warning is clear. Ignore at our peril. The universe is not silent. It speaks through visitors like these, and it is up to us to listen, to interpret, to prepare for what may follow. If this is an alien probe, then it is not the last. More will come. Perhaps fleets of them already drift unseen, hidden in the Black Sea between stars, waiting for moments like this to make their presence known. If this is natural, then the cosmos is far stranger than textbooks ever told us. The chaos of interstellar drift is vast, and yet in its chaos, a pattern emerges, one that intersects directly with human destiny. The unsettling truth: whether artifact or accident, its arrival matters. Humanity cannot dismiss it. Every interstellar object is a reminder that our solar system is not isolated. We are part of a greater story, far beyond Earth's borders. When prophets wrote of watchers in the sky, they may have been closer to truth than we ever imagined. The watchers may not be divine figures, but civilizations who have transcended the limitations we still struggle with. Our task now is simple yet profound: to observe carefully, to question bravely, to interpret with humility, and above all, to prepare for the day when observation turns into contact, when silence becomes dialogue. 3I Atlas is not only a scientific event, it is a prophetic one. It forces us to rethink existence itself. The universe is not empty, it is alive with mysteries, perhaps alive with minds far beyond our comprehension. The choice is ours, to dismiss it as rock or to embrace it as revelation. Either way, it will pass through, carrying secrets we may never decode unless we find the courage to look deeper, harder, further. This is why voices like Michio Kaku matter. They remind us not to grow complacent, not to let fear or arrogance blind us. They urge us to stay vigilant, to consider every possibility, even those that unsettle us most. Because prophecy does not always come in words. Sometimes it comes in stone, sometimes in fire. And sometimes it comes in silent travelers like 3I Atlas, slipping quietly across the void, carrying the weight of galaxies. Humanity may not yet be ready, but the universe does not wait for readiness. It moves, it shifts, it delivers. And when the messenger arrives, we must decide what kind of species we will become. Will we cower, dismiss, and ignore? Or will we awaken, rise, and embrace the greater reality unfolding before us? That choice, more than the object itself, will determine the course of human history. As you hear these words, remember, the heavens are watching. The visitors are real. The question is not if, but when, humanity will finally see with open eyes. 3 Atlas may be the beginning of that awakening. Stay with Prophecy Pulse. Like, share, and subscribe, for the story of the cosmos is far from over. What approaches us now may redefine everything we know. The prophecy is unfolding, and you are witnessing it in real time.